Assembly will take place in the customer's home. Tailor comes with two base options, metal and wood. The metal base has the weight already installed. For the wooden base, you will need to install the weight. Attach the weight to the wooden base with the 2 screws supplied. Each insert comes with 4 screws and an Allen key. Remove the wood transit support bar. Attach the base to the bottom insert. Flip and stack remaining inserts. Attach each insert together from the bottom. The delivery team will not install the finished wood top. It is the requirement of the customer to install the wall bracket and the finished wood top, as the piece isn't secured until it is attached to the wall with the mounting bracket.